quick tip. It's color theory. It's the basis for, you know, a lot of your paintings. And so I'm going to be using the complementary color pairs, which you should know if you're a painter. The three main ones are red and green, blue and orange, and purple and yellow. And what happens is when you mix those in equal amounts, you will get a gray or an earth color. So it's good to know that. You can't buy those colors in the store. But if you want to lower the intensity or the brightness of a color, you want to put a little bit of the complementary color into that color. It will lower the intensity or make it not so bright. So let me show you with red here. I've got a naphthol red, a little bit of red here, and I've got a green. And remember, you can't mix the primary colors, the blue, red, and yellow. So those you want to be sure you have. I'm going to just take a little bit of that green here, just a little bit, and mix it into my red. And you can see how it tones the red right down. Completely lowers the intensity on it. So I have a whole new color right there. I can't even really buy that color. If I take my green, add a little more of the red, just a touch, not much. I don't want it going gray. I just want to lower the brightness or the intensity of this green, which you can see it's not nearly as bright as it was. If I add a little more, it'll do it even more. I don't want to go black, but completely dulls down from this brighter green to a kind of a nicer green in a way. I do use this technique all the time because I don't like real bright colors, so I like to just lower the brightness a bit, and I always use the complementary color to do that. God, what time it is now. Okay, so here's my blue right here. So I'm taking my orange, a little bit of it here into the blue, and it's turning it a little green, so I'm going to add a little bit more blue here. You really have to learn how to add the right amount. Not too much, but it just totally brings down the brightness there. So you can see it's more of a navy blue than this bright phthalo blue. I've got my orange here. And I'm going to take a little of the blue. I need a little bit of that blue, not much. I don't want it to go green, but it makes more of a nice brown color. Really tone that orange down. So that's a great color. You can use that in a lot of landscapes. There's my purple, eggplant color, and I want just a little bit of yellow. I think this is my favorite complementary pair. It makes, add white to this and get fabulous gray. So you can see it pulls down the color. Maybe I want to pull it down a little more, add a little more yellow. Don't want it to go green. Dirties it up a bit. Here's my yellow. Yellow right here. I'm going to add a little bit of that purple color, and you can see right away it takes the brightness down of that yellow compared to here. I don't really lose the color. If I add too much, I'll get it to be more of a grayed earth color, but so if you enjoyed these tips today, please go to my website, kathytaylorart.com. I have some teaching videos there that will help you develop your own creativity and find your voice as an artist.